plant your tree or shrub well, first select the perfect spot for it to grow. Check how large the plant will grow when mature. Dig a hole that is 4 to 5 times wider than the clump of the plant you are transferring. Prepare a blend of planting soil mix, compost or organic soil conditioner and layer it thickly along the bottom of the hole. Remove the tree or shrub from its previous pot and thread the cultivator along the roots of the clump to disentangle them. Center your tree or shrub in the hole, carefully spreading the roots well without damaging them. Add a stake if needed. Position your tree carefully, turning it to the side that looks best. Backfill the hole with what is left of the soil. Press down and shape the ground into a bowl around the trunk. Water abundantly. Water your tree or shrub regularly during the first year.